guys. Here's another one. Boom.
Still trying to watch.
Spooky.
That was cool.
All you can see is darkness right now.
That's all we can see.
What time is it? 9:50. It's 10 o'clock. It's 10 o'clock. We're out in freaking Steerland. Here it comes. What the heck was that?
I don't know.
It booms right after it explodes. Like it goes,
It
explodes,
and then
boom! There it goes. That's fast. Whoa. At least the things don't fall on
See
us.
why?
That was
That was
pathetic.
That was cool, kinda.
Whoa, what the freak? Look at that one. It's falling.
That
Like,
was.
looks like a whoa.
Oh, look at
Oh
that
my
speed.
god.
Oh,
Freaking. Now they're just getting awesome.
oh, they're falling.
Like they're falling. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's just kind of. Uh-oh.
Oh.
Somebody's calling my mom now. This is awesome. Something, is that it? Please don't tell me that's it. That's it.
Oh, no?
Nope.
It's not.
Whoa!
We only got like 6 or 7.
It's just
They're like
freezes.
falling.
It freezes and then it disappears.
It's falling like the North Stars. Uh-oh, something else. The North Stars. What? Whoa.
That's so cool.
If you guys were here in person, you guys would freak. Freak!
Oh, that one was so low to the ground.
Ooh, oh my god, it's falling.
We established that.
It's going too high.
Oh.
Oh. Oh!
Wow. It glittered.
Oh my god. Here comes something else. Uh-oh, this is gonna be a big one. It changed colors. Whoa, what the freak?
Whoa. Do you see the smoke? It's like raining that time.
Oh my god. Here comes something else. Faster than ever. If you guys were here in person, you would flip.
But we know you told them already.
So like you could actually see them like falling, but now you guys can like see. You can't see the rest of them falling, like the ashes and stuff. Oh! It's like light down here, and I have something crawling on me. Boosh! Boom. They got like smoke everywhere. Uh-oh. They got like smoke everywhere down there.
Oh, that wasn't big.
More. Stop it, grasshopper. Whoa. I wonder if anybody else is recording this right now.
Probably.
Whoa. Okay, Columbus fireworks are amazing.
You should see Madison's fireworks. They're amazing.
Whoa, I just took a picture of this.
They're so cool. They do them on a boat right on the river. And it's so cool. How the way it glitters in the water.
Oh God. Whoa, what the freak?
Oh.
Live action. Happy 4th of July. Whoa, what the freak?
I've never seen someone do one with words before.
Me neither.
I've seen it on a movie. Just not here. Wow.
3 of them.
This might be words.
Woo! Oh, it's a heart. It was shaped as a heart, kinda.
Oh, that's
They look like they're falling. You guys can barely
They
see
are
it.
falling. They're ashes.
There's the one that's still falling.
Oh,
Crap. Those ones that were going straight up in the line, they made it like really bright down here. It's 10:04. Crap. Whoa, what the freak?
oh.
Oh, 2 more. Whoa.
Look at those ones.
Those ones are still falling. More. That was useless.
It exploded. And then it made the noise after it
Oh
exploded.
God! 2 in 1.
It made the noise after it exploded though.
It'd be weird if I told the fans my agenda, what I'm doing, and they would be like, whoa, following me. That'd be creepy for me.
You put this on YouTube and you're recording it talking.
Yeah, I know. That's what I do. 3.
Words. No. Please something be words. Oh.
Stupid praying mantis.
It was not a praying mantis.
Don't like it.
It was.
They eat their boyfriend. It's wrong.
It wasn't though.
What creeps me out about praying mantises, you can barely even see that one on the camera.
Oh. It was really cool though.
Whoa, what the heck? More. How long
That
do
was
you...
pink and green.
I'm gonna lay down while doing this. Scoot over. Whoa, what the freak? It scared me. Whoa, there's a lot more coming. Whoa, what the freak? Oh. You can hear them pressing down. Oh, God. Now that was the most epic I've ever seen. Oh!
It looked like it was falling towards you.
Columbus, Indiana is amazing.
You should go see Max.
What was that?
They're awesome.
Are those the glitter balls? Or they just... Uh-oh.
I think these are the
Now that was the glitter ball. The big one was... That one was it. Yeah, that's a glitter ball. That is.
That's cool.
Now that was. Oh, that gold. All the gold ones are called sparkle. No, what was it called again? I should be quiet right now. I'm ruining the fireworks for you.
That was a heart when it came out.
Nope. That was. God. Wow, most epic. Now that was. Change quality. You didn't see that one for you guys. Whoa.
Whoa.
The boombox one is
Boombox.
that's the boombox one.
A boombox is a thing
I know, but it's the boombox
that
firework.
has music in it.
I know. That wasn't the boombox. That was weak. God, this is 12 minutes.